Hey YouTube, it's Bar Double R here. It is a toasty 15 degrees on this February 15th day, and it's cold. It is really cold, and it's gonna get colder. Right now I'm getting feed rounded up, gonna go bust water. Gonna have to probably somehow get some water. Our water has froze up, so we're gonna have to get some water. And yeah, big fun. It's gonna be a busy day. Anyway, just wanted to do the intro. I'm gonna be feeding, busting water, just some normal stuff, and I'm gonna take you along for the ride. I'm not gonna do a chest cam or anything. It's gonna be on a tripod, so you won't get motion sickness and throw up. And anyway, I will get back at you. Bye. Hey YouTube, Bar Double R here. I want to show you. Now I realize it's 15 degrees right now. We had two babies there, and we had another two babies, or another baby over there, and that mama's looking like that one's trying to nurse, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna bring them some hay over here. Mama. Mama's concerned about him, that's good. I'm gonna go get her some, I'm gonna get them some shavings. Get them some more shavings. Right back. mama. I gotta go take care of some stuff, and then I think I'm gonna move these two goats into that pen over there and maybe let those goats out. I don't know, I hate to change a good thing, but at some point I'm gonna have to open this up and let goats come in here. Just so they got shelter. Anyway, I will get back at you. Hey YouTube, it's Bar Double R here. It has been a long day. I had the intentions on recording a lot today, and once I got down there, realized we had, well, in fact, you saw that we had 3 babies on the ground and stuff, but that was about all the recording I did, as you saw earlier, and just had a lot going on, so I didn't get as much recorded as I wanted. Plus, it's very miserable cold today. It was a long day. I'm very tired. You can tell it by the look of my eyes. So far, this is kind of the overall update we had. So I've lost 5 babies. 4 due to one of my guard dogs, and we have taken the guard dog out of the goat pen. And instantly after we did that, you could we did it last night, and instantly you could see the goats are more relaxed and stuff. He was basically, whenever they had babies, he was tormenting them. I say tormenting them, he was loving on the babies or running the moms off, and he's actually bit a couple of moms. I mean, this is about the 3rd or 4th offense that I know of. Could have been more. So they're more relaxed. Today in the footage you saw that one mom had 2 babies and another mom had 1. The mom that had 2 babies never actually, I mean, she kind of at first acted like she was caring for them, but as I watched later, she was just standing off and letting them sit there and freeze. So we brought them in the house and started bottle feeding them, and then we took them out and let them nurse earlier this afternoon. And she's a 2-year-old mom. This is her 2nd go, so I don't know. We'll give her another chance, but she may be cold later. We'll see. The other mom, which had a single and who is a first-time mom, is awesome. I mean, she's nursed the baby, she's laying beside it, keeping it warm. I mean, amazing. I can't believe she's doing that good. So she's doing pretty good. We are trying to reintroduce, so we've done it twice, and that's for anybody that's wanting to learn something here. You may already know it. I just found out. So because it was real cold and the moms didn't seem to be taking care of the baby, we brought them in the house in a tote and bottle fed them through the night. Took them out that morning, tried to feed them on the mom, and then we'd let and see if the mom responded in any way, like, you know, talking to them or wanting to, oops, sorry, really shaking it up here, or what's the word, either talking to them or at least paying attention to them or acknowledging that they're there. And we have successfully done that twice because of the goats got really stressed out from being bit or attacked by the dog. They kind of lost their mind for about 24 hours, and they kind of seem to get it back after the stress wears off, I guess. And they took them back. In fact, I almost had some good footage while we were working on these others. Those 2 little goats that we bottle fed for a little bit came out to visit us and then went back into the pen. Didn't have my camera, didn't have my phone, had my hands full. Oh well, maybe next time. It would have been awesome to have caught that. But anyway, we did not. So anyway, you can, if you keep going back and back, the mom might take them back apparently, because twice. I'm hoping for 3 or 4 times, because I really don't want to bottle feed 4 babies. Right now we have 4 babies that we're bottle feeding. We've lost 5. 4 of them were basically born dead. 1 was froze last night. If I had realized that the mom wasn't taking care of it, I would have brought it in. And then we have 3 that are out with their moms. So that's the tally right now. We've got 2. I bet we have more babies in the morning. I got 2 that look like they're ready to pop. And I've said that, I know, over and over and over again, but these like are ready to pop. So, and it's going to be nasty weather, and that's just how they do it. So anyway, I just want to give you a better update. Sorry I didn't get any footage. Please like and subscribe. I'm up to like 20. I'm ecstatic. Thank you all. I know you're friends and family, and I appreciate your support. You know, I'm, you know, obviously I need to get more, but you know, I'm ecstatic and humbled by 20. I'm grateful. So anyway, please like and subscribe, and I'll probably have an update for you tomorrow if we have any more babies. And thank you very much. Y'all try to stay warm out there. Bye.